Hi Carl, this video we're going to be going over the container and a few things you could do with it. So a container, we'll drag one on. You can add components to it like this, and it'll group the components into the container so you can move them around easier. But you can also hide and show these containers in UBot. So let's just delete that one for now. We can, let's say we wanted to add like a login form to show another part of the UI once the login's complete or verified. So we'll need two containers. The first one we'll add will be our main UI. So let's just add a content saying main UI area, main UI area, like that. And we can click the container and we can rename the IDs here. So we'll call this one main, like that. So now we can hide this container using this toggle button here. We'll click that and hide that container. Now you can do this for multiple containers if you wanted multiple pages or parts of the application that you wanted to show and hide. So we'll add the container for our form next, with the main container hidden. Otherwise we'll be adding this container to the main container. So we need to hide that first. So we'll drag this container on. Let's add an input field to get the user's email. Let's add the label. Enter email, and we'll set its variable to email, like this. We'll need a button for the user to submit. Let's just call it login, and we'll call the define login too, like this. Right, so if we export that now, if we export that copy it and go to UBot, we can paste that in. I already selected my directory prior to doing this video tutorial. We need to set our define command for the button to get called. We called it login. Let's just alert the email variable that we set on the input field. So let's just do a bit of random text, login, so that's getting called. So here you could check for something on your server, or you know, subscribe someone to your email list with their email until they can use the software if you're offering a free bot or something like that. But we can use the UStrap commands from the plugin and use the display component. So we named the, oh, I didn't rename the form, did I? So this container we'll call form. I'm going to have to re-export that now because I messed up. Let's copy that and delete that again. So we've got two containers, one called main and one called form. The form being this one first. So we want to hide the form, display to false, and then we want to show the main, display to true. So now when the user enters an email, blah blah blah, they click login, and it'll hide the form and show the main UI area. You can see what you can do with a few other parts of the UI. You could have multiple containers showing different parts, but that's generally the basic idea of how to use containers, and that's what they're there for. So I hope that helps you out. Thanks a lot, Cal.